May I say first, Mom, I'm on TV. Yeah. Okay. All right. How are you today? Yeah, I hope everybody has even though the weather is gloomy, but not gloomy in our heart. Yes, yeah. Our lesson today is about management. Anybody have ever heard what is management is? Miss Daisy, can you help me? Management. Yes. Management is mean how to manage, how to arrange, I think. Yes. Thank you. That's can interpret, simplify the word of management, I think, ya kan? I really never, I don't know what to say much. Yeah. All right. Uh, yeah. What we would like to discuss today, some topic. First is the definition of management. Second is the one who arrange or the person who in charge the management process, and the third is the management function. Okay, we will start from the first one, the definition of management. Actually, when we say management, we always divide the definition into two parts. First, as an art, and second, as a process. This is the definition of management as an art. Management is the process of getting activities completed efficiently with and through other people. Anybody have an idea why management called as an art? Defined as an art. It's hard science. It's more like uh, there's no rigid definition for it. Because we're dealing with human. Yes. Yeah, good answer. Yes, Miss Annie. Good. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Bonnie, it seems to me you want to answer the question.
Yeah, the yeah, Japanese the like handle people moving out in order to moving this managing the people space. You have the driving and the yeah humanness to the human that's
Yeah.
why
Yeah. Thank you. Good answer. Yeah. From this side, Mister, what is your name? Pak Ketua. What do you think? Yeah. Why management is defined as an art? Yeah. The- Actually, in our class, we have some alternative to answer a question. First, answer it by yourself. Second, call a friend. It's native. Ah. Oh yeah, yeah, Mister Philo, apa namanya? Willow, no, 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 no. Yeah, yeah, you can have the third choice, right? Ask the audience. Which one? Yeah, which alternative that you choose? Yeah. Do you want to answer it by yourself? Or do you want to call a friend? Or you want to ask the audience? Yes. Please, Mr. Philo.
It's a lot where people if if different background, then we have to adjust that ourselves that uh, as a manager or whatever in the management staff that how to deal with this each person who's got the goal and because the goal is one say so. Cannot work then you think that we have to deal that with that differently accordingly. That's my answer.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
But
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for all the answer. Yeah, because when we say that we want to complete the process with and through other people, we're dealing with people, right? Yeah, so we need some arts. We cannot say something or ask the people directly. We have to say please, we have to say thank you, or we have to say a lot of things to do when we would like people do or do not doing something in the process of management. Okay. And then actually, I have learned something that I try to manage to make the definition simplified using some different words. Yeah. This is the second definition, definition of management as a process. Ka- When management is as a process, the management process consists of four primary functions that managers must perform. First is planning, second is organizing, third is leading, and the fourth is controlling. And the person who take in charge of the management process is a manager. Miss Angie, would you like to help me to read what is a manager is? Miss Angie. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so this is the one who has to implement the management process. All right. Before we go to other session of the discussion, we have some quiz. Yeah. Even though Mr. Ali is the quiz person, let me be the one. Today, for the first question, what is the answer? The goal. Antonym. Yeah. This one first. The goal first. Yeah. I'm sorry. Because yeah, Antonym, it's not patching. This one. Okay. Yes, correct. And what about the second one, the process? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. This one, the answer is reverse. Correct. Okay. Anyone to ask a question before we proceed? Emptiness. Empty. Emptiness. Okay. Okay. Uh, we take a break for 5 minutes. Can we have a riddle? Do you know what a riddle is? Okay. So you must we can answer this question. All right. The question is, what is more useful when it is broken? So it's more useful now. Yeah, correct. That's amazing. All right, we proceed to our next discussion. This is the management function. A lot of uh, expert has asserted their own notion what is the management function. So different expert has not notion different function. Yeah, for example, Luther said that at least six function of management, but George said that only four management function. Yeah, we take the fourth one that management function has four function. The first is planning, the second one is organizing, then we have leading and controlling. Planning? Anyone want to answer before we see what is planning is? A preparation. Okay, good. Anyone else?
Step to achieve the goal.
Step, the first step to achieve a goal. Okay, thank you. Nice answer. Miss Procedure. Okay. Okay. So we can see this is why the picture represent the planning is the map, ya kan? Bilingual. Yes. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, because we can see it's like a GPS, ya kan? So sorry. Auto ya. Yeah. Aduh. Yeah. To lead us how to achieve the goal. Something that we doing today for tomorrow. Yeah. To simplify. Yeah. Yeah. We can simplify like that. So there is a quote. Yes. This is the first step. Like Mr. Phil say, so much important because if you fail to plan, so you plan to fail. Yeah. Second is organizing. Organizing can be defined as how to deployment of the resources to achieve strategic goals. And the third is leading. Anyone want to answer? A way? A way of what? A way. Oh, yes. Give a direction. Yes. Yes. And and so on so forth. Yeah. 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 This is the definition of leading and will be this is the action that involves in leading, and that's why a person who lead we always call him a leader. Yeah. And a leader is one who know the ways, shows the ways, and goes the ways. Yeah. This is the leader. And there is three, sorry, three leadership style. The first one is autocratic, the second one is democratic, and the third one is free reign. The last is controlling. What we to do in this process, we try to compare our performance with our planning. So before we close our class today, we haven't we have second quiz. Yeah. Now I am the person of quiz, Mr. Ali. What was the first one? Which one match? Yeah. Ya, yang sekarang matching, ya kan? Yang tadi bukan matching. So the first one match to the which answer? Yeah, Mr. Bonnie, correct. Oh, yes. Okay. Which one? Actually, when we learned yesterday, simplify is complicated. Yeah. Okay. What about the second one, Fanny? Oh, yeah. Good job. And the third one? Of course. Yeah. The last one, of course, again, because we have the, yeah. All right. I think we have to wrap up the class, right? Yeah. Thank you for. Yes. Actually, this is for me. Try to be a good lecturer in English. So it is a one of step of my journey. Yeah. Kamsahamnida. Yeah.